Macau is a small city, but well known and famous of the world. Nowadays, casinos are the biggest industry in Macau. Moreover, Macau is another Las Vegas in Asia, and it shows that the flow rate of visitors is getting higher and higher every year. By the way, is it good news for Macau people? And do you think that Macau can depend on this gambling industry? And is this the perfect business and tourism environment to develop this city?
Welcome to our special news report, Disappearing City, Macau. I'm Strike. In this chapter, we are going to confirm on the decline and the future development of the handicraft industry in Macau. In recent years, Macau has passed from a small city. It will take possession of the sea and the sky. Macau has changed a lot. The local and the foreigner are building a completely new Macau. They make it become more and more glorious. Nevertheless, in this fast-changing city, meanwhile, many local things also are changed. We can see the face of original Macau and the scenes are less and less. Now, let's have a look at today's mechanism. Do they know about the handicraft industry in Macau?
Oh, sure, hello.
No, I don't know.
In Macau? Yeah. Maybe fireworks match and street acting, etc. My father used to work in a firework factory. And sure, I'm very interested in it. Keep you my
Yes. The match, the goal making or other things.
Nowadays, the teenagers in Macau rarely know the information, even the type and name about the Asian handicraft industry. Let's see the video about the opinion of past generations and the case of the granddaughter of the workers in this industry.
Appreciate that you are interested and willing to notice this industry. And now we present my grandfather to say thank you to you guys. Actually, shipbuilding industry is quite outstanding, and it is one of the traditional handicrafts in Macau. When I was born, this industry is already declined, and in my memory, my grandfather has worked in this industry for over 30 years. He experienced the rise and fall of this industry, and shipbuilding is not an easy job. Also, my grandfather always worked very hard to design and build a ship. Sometimes, he must spend much time to build one ship, and he once gets hurt of his arm. But I know that he still enjoys a lot. Also, my parents told me that they worked with my grandfather and helped him for several years. But they stopped it as shipbuilding industry is declining. By the way, shipbuilding industry also invests many contributions and development for Macau. That's why I really hope that this industry will not disappear and getting respect right now. And my grandfather can continue to create a product and prove that traditional handicraft has its own value that machine cannot instantly produce.
In the past, handicraft industry is the major industry in Macau, where Macau is still a little fishing village. The four main handicrafts are joystick, fireworks, mattress and shipbuilding industry. They have long enduring history and remain a high reputation. For instance, the mattress industry was very prosperous in 19th century. Some countries may order overseas, and the fireworks that made in Macau are much more famous, even used to be famous brands all over the world. As time goes by, the handicraft has declined in Macau, but those traditional cultural symbols of Macau is important and recallable to Macau citizens.
I think the joysticks and also the firecrackers industry were quite famous in the past. And then now I think the new generation do not know a lot about these two industries. But actually they have made Macau, they have played an important role to Macau in the past. So if some tourists and the new generation can know something about this, I think it is good.
Hello, I'm Annabella. Handicraft industry represents Macau in 1960s. It shows an art aspect of Macau. In spite of casinos, heritage, and food, it seems that seldom of other industries we can think about. However, these industries, mainly caused by foreign countries, invest their business in Macau. Actually, there are still some other industries are made in Macau, and they are very celebrated. Therefore, handicraft industry is valuable for Macau, especially for elder people, since Macau government always advises diversity of tourist industry. It is no doubt that traditional handicraft industry can be one of the best choice to be the new type of tourist.
The main reason of this industry decline is not only the expansion of science and technology, but also that batch of generation didn't want to inherit their father's industry. This tourism can let the new generation notice that there are some treasures in Macau. Though it is old and out of date, it is still worth to cherish and understand. On the other hand, it is also a chance to create a platform for those who work for handicraft industry in the past to share their experience and interpret technical information to the tourists.
Moreover, it also can increase the job opportunities. This kind of tourists can also attract the foreigners. The special and historical aspects are interesting for the foreigners who want to know more about Macau. Moreover, traditional items such as joysticks rarely appear in Western countries. It is also the way to let them know more about the related culture.
For example, the exhibition of Macau handicraft tools and products display can be the first step to promote and to get attention to the public. Moreover, it can attract the first step interest to join and develop in this field. In the future, I hope that the handicraft industry can become one of the leading tourists in Macau. Thank you.
In this disappearing city, the people, the things, and the scenes are disappearing. They don't have the formal name, and they are seldom noticed by the folk of Macau. Perhaps wait until they become extinct. People will miss about it. Therefore, we should push the force, keep some of the things of this disappearing city. Although we can't keep all, we should do that. We do not live in the past, but maybe 1 year later, these things are no longer be here. We must keep and share these things, not only for us, but also for the others. No matter what Macau changes, Macau is Macau forever. Regardless of the past, now, and future, is the same. We are together, witness the past, live in the present, and hope the well-development of the future of Macau. After the special news report, we hope you can catch up the time to remember the things in Macau. Thank you very much.